A Samoan noun by itself does translate to a word, but unless you can say it in a noun phrase, you don't know if it's singular or if it's plural. So what's our noun or subject phrase? The O noun tense marker, the limiter if you need one, and then the noun. For example, olo'u ingoa, olo'u ingoa. It is my name. The it is in parentheses because in translation, sometimes we say it, sometimes we don't, it just depends. Here's another noun phrase. O Williamu, it's William. If we want to say that this noun is that noun, all we gotta do is just connect them together. Olo'u ingoa, o Williamu. Olo'u ingoa, o Williamu. Oa'u, o se whaiaonga. Oa'u o se whaiaonga. O le loto, o se whalealofa. O le loto o se whalealofa. Now this only works with nouns because actions, adverbs, and adjectives use different kind of tense markers. For example, I am happy. We wouldn't say oa'u o fiafia because fiafia is an adjective and we would use a different kind of tense marker and likely a different sentence structure as well. For more information or to go deeper into this subject, visit pacificapages.net.